EPCOR owns and maintains the public drainage system in Edmonton. As sewers age, they deteriorate in many different ways. If rehabilitation is required, portions of existing infrastructure in your neighborhood need to be repaired or have new pipes installed. To do this, our open-cut crews use a pavement saw to cut the trench. Once the pavement is cut, the crew will excavate the trench area. The pavement and excavated material is removed by an excavator and loaded into dump trucks. The trench is stabilized by installing shoring in the excavated area. The shoring allows the crew to safely access the sewer lines. New pipes are lowered into the trench using a crane and installed in the trench. Once installed, the new pipes are connected to a new manhole. The shoring is then removed and the trench is backfilled with a mixture of cement, sand, and water. The area will be paved and reopened to traffic. This work helps us keep the sewer lines in good condition to ensure the drainage system runs as designed.